Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this mini massage gun. Is this one, came in this box and have 4 massage heads for your choice, have timing and inner power supply. Let's go open it. So this is the box, came in this way. Have this bag for your massage gun, the user manual as you can see in this part, and it's also mini. Look, this is the part of the massage gun. As you can see, it's so practical because it's so mini. Have this cable that is for the charge, is C-type and it's connected right here, and have four massage heads. It's this one, this one. Oh, this other is amazing. And this one. So you can use it wherever you head massage you want, in different parts of your body. And look, have a beautiful design and a great color. It's like green. This is metallic. And look my hand. You can use this to make you a massage in any part of your body. Look. It's great, and you can choose in 4 types of massage head. So I highly recommend this mini gun massage.